Welcome to Science with Ava. Today, we're going to learn about viruses. So, have you ever had a cold that lasted and lasted and lasted and not even pills would help? Yeah? Don't worry, you're not alone. The reason why is you had a virus. And what is a virus? Well, viruses are not alive like us or like a dog. However, they were one of the first things on Earth. Viruses need to infect other cells in order to reproduce. This is the structure of a virus. They are apparently simple. However, viruses have a protein code. Inside the virus, there is the DNA or genetic material. When they infect another cell, they inject their DNA. Viruses cannot move. They just float around waiting to find a host. Viruses can also live on other surfaces, so people can pick them up very easily. So, how do viruses spread? So viruses, depending on the type, can reproduce in two different ways. The first type is the following. This is our cell, okay? Our cell is about to be infected by a virus. The virus attaches onto the cell membrane, and then the virus releases its own DNA. Then what happens is that the virus leaves and the DNA is infected. Then the cell has both its own DNA and the virus DNA. And when the cell reproduces, it's also reproducing the copies of the virus. And what's the other option that can happen? Well, our cell will be injected with a virus. The virus will then be absorbed and will tell the cell to make copies of the virus. Then the cell will start making copies until the cell cannot live anymore and it explodes. Then what happens is that these viruses are then released into the body, the cell dies, and the viruses expand to the rest of the body. So why not use antibiotics to get rid of viruses? Because antibiotics can only kill or stop the growth of certain bacteria. And because viruses are not like bacteria, they don't work with viruses. And that's why it's really important that we wash our hands properly to get rid of viruses. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've understood how viruses spread. And if you like this video, please hit like and remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to know the latest videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.